Hello, English Go-Getter. Today's quiz is all about family relationships. And to help you get ready, let's go over some family words together. Grandmother, grandfather, mother, father, uncle, aunt, brother, sister, husband, wife, brother-in-law, sister-in-law, mother-in-law, father-in-law, parents, grandparents, granddaughter, grandson, daughter, son, cousin, niece, nephew, siblings. Now, before we test your vocabulary, let's go over the instructions. You will read the sentence, choose the correct answer. Remember, you have 10 seconds and then the answer will appear. So let's get started.
Let's go!
Question 1. My mom's sister is my... And the correct answer is letter B, aunt. Question 2. My dad's brother is my... And the correct answer is letter A, uncle. Question 3. My mom's mother is my... And the correct answer is letter C, grandmother. Question 4. My mom's father is my... And the correct answer is letter A, grandfather. Question 5. My uncle's son is my... And the correct answer is letter B, cousin. Question 6. My dad's sister is my... And the correct answer is letter C, aunt. Question 7. My mom is my dad's... And the correct answer is letter B, wife. Question 8. My aunt's daughter is my... And the correct answer is letter C, cousin. Hey, English Go-Getter, you're halfway done. You're doing great. Keep it up. Question 9. My mom's son is my... And the correct answer is letter B, brother. Question 10. My dad is my mom's... And the correct answer is letter C, husband. Question 11. My sister's daughter is my... And the correct answer is letter A, niece. Question 12. My dad's mother is my... And the correct answer is letter B, grandmother. Question 13. My dad's daughter is my... Correct answer is letter B, sibling. Question 14. My grandparents are my... And the correct answer is letter C, grandma and grandpa. Question 15. My aunt's husband is my... And the correct answer is letter A, uncle. Hey, English Go-Getter, you did it. Congratulations, you finished the quiz.
Great job, guys.
And how did you do? Feel free to leave your score in the comments below. And if you enjoyed the quiz, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and hit the bell button. And thank you for watching, English Go-Getter. I'll see you in the next video.